Hi everyone, it's Jack Wallace from NEC Display Solutions UK. I've received the new NEC Desktop monitor today. I'm going to unbox it, tell you a little bit about it. So the monitor in question is our EX241UN 24-inch 1920 by 1080 HD desktop monitor. It comes with a desktop stand, as you might imagine, or it can be used on one of our many monitor arm accessories. The monitor is very simple for your remote users. I would advise removing the top layer of the foam packaging and then taking the desktop stand and taking the arm of the monitor into a safe position where you may be able to apply it and keep the monitor within the packaging so there's no risk of damage to the monitor. Very easy to line up the desktop stand. You do that like so, put into place, and there's a very simple thumb screw on the back which I'll now do up to secure the monitor. Now removed the bag and packaging from the back of the monitor because I'll move this monitor arm into the position that I want to use it, because I want to use it in landscape mode. Don't be afraid to apply a bit of pressure to twist it. It has some resistance on purpose so that it doesn't move when easily knocked. I'm happy that my monitor is secure and sturdy on the stand and arm. What I can do is begin to adjust it either by moving it up and down and tilting it and getting it comfortable on my desk. So I'm happy that my monitor is assembled correctly. The EX241UN, and the UN stands for ultra narrow, as you can see from the bezels. This is our white edition. It's a very nice looking desktop monitor and it will serve your remote work as well. There will never be a more important time to consider your desktop monitor as a vital piece of equipment in your daily working life. And to audiovisual integrators, I would say that it needs to be part of your conversation, not just thought of as part of an add-on to the IT setup. As IT and AV converges more and more, you need to be having a discussion about how a good quality monitor becomes ever more important. I often talk about things that we do differently here at NEC UK, and one of the things is with our desktop monitors is that we can pick up and service desktop monitors from residential addresses, meaning that we make a perfect partner for your home remote use. So here's the monitor up and running. Just continuing that message really, the desktop monitor is an audio-visual decision and it is an important part of your working kit. It needs to be of good quality. Give us a call, let one of the NEC team know if you need any further info.